Good afternoon, everyone. It is fourth period here on Thursday at KIT Iizuka. This is English 7D, class number 9 on June 12th. Last week, we had our conversation test, and I thought things were pretty good. I didn't see any big problems. No one failed, but it still seems like you could still do a little bit of practice, so our practice is going to continue unto today too. Now, a few things that I want to do. First of all, up at the very top of our course is the section with the preliminary information, and there's a section here called software downloads. And in software downloads, I'm pointing out a piece of software called Counter. And this is an application for your smartphone, and we're going to make sure that everyone has it. Some of my students from first year already have this software, so most of you should be able to download it. The only problem that it seems as if on Android, there are some Android phones that can't download this software, but we'll figure that out when we all start to download it. Okay, now back to this week. Your warm-up this week is Quizlet. This time it's going to be from chapters 7 and 8, and we'll do that in just a second. And you have your third listening quiz number 3. The due date for that is the 22nd of June, so please make sure that you get that done before then. You have 3 chances to get the highest score that you can get. Okay, you again have an article to listen to and do your best to answer the questions. Okay, and as usual, you have your reflection. This video, and the question on the video is down here. Now, I noticed that some of you in your reflections, you're not writing very much. You're writing maybe 1, maybe 2 sentences. I want you to write at least 2 paragraphs. And a paragraph is at least 3 or 5, right? 3 or 5 sentences. So try to make sure that you try as best as you can to think deeply about the topic and write as much as you possibly can. Where's the sign? Oh, good. Okay, good. Sign. Okay, and I think that's all that you have to do. I want to point out to you that you have your second walking video in about 3 weeks. And I've already marked your first walking video number 1. So please take a look at the score that you got for that. And even before that, we'll also look and talk about how to make your videos a little bit better. But you'll have your second walking video assignment on July 3rd. So start thinking about ideas for that. Otherwise, as usual, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at my email here, jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come talk to me here during or after class. Okay, have a good class, everyone.